Seeking knowledge about how to make money online? You need to watch this video. Have you been looking for a way to increase your income? If so, then working online could be the solution you have been seeking. Here are some great ideas to help you figure out your next step. Read through them and decide for yourself how you want to make money online. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. If you can write well, it would be a great idea for you to join a site like InfoBarrel or Squidoo, which are both revenue-sharing sites. You will be developing videos on topics that you like, and you receive a portion of the income that is made. This will allow you to have fun while you are working. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and PaperPost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. This video was filled with some great suggestions. It is up to you to decide which ones will work best for you. So, bookmark this page. That way, you can keep coming back to it as you choose. You could end up with several profitable online ventures that will keep you busy. Student loan,